Hi, this is Malik from Odoo Dashboards. So you're interested in Odoo Dashboards and would like to set it up for your own Odoo instance. So go ahead and sign up and head over to the dashboard on OdooDashboards.com. Click on Buy Now and go ahead and begin with the trial version. You don't need to supply any credit card information, just a working email address. So click on Get for Free. Okay, so once your trial is ready to go, in the dashboard section, go ahead and click on Billing and Benefits. Here you will have access to your API key and connector for GitHub. So go ahead and connect your GitHub account so that you can get access to the latest code for Odoo Dashboards. So I'll go ahead and authorize. Okay, once that is set up, we can go ahead and access the repository. Obviously, you will need a GitHub account. So just sign up with an account or ask your developer to sign up and so that they can push the code up to your server. Okay, so once you're in the repository, here you have access from versions 15 till 19, and all our latest releases are updated pretty much every week. So go ahead and go to your relevant branch, and then you can either download this or clone the repository and push that up to your Odoo instance. Once that is done, the next step is to go ahead and open up your settings in Odoo, as you will not have access to Odoo Dashboards immediately. Obviously, just before you go to settings, you just need to make sure that the module is installed. So go ahead and open up settings, and you will need to activate the developer mode so that we can access groups, and just search for SaaS. Here you will have just these two groups, and then what you need to do is add users to which Odoo Dashboards access will be provided to, and then just do it for this group and this group. Once that's done, just refresh your browser and you will have access to Odoo Dashboards. And then the second thing that needs to be done is that you will copy this API key. You will head over to Activate API Key, paste the API key, give it any label, and save it. Now after this, you will be able to successfully create datasets and build dashboards through OdooDashboards.com. If you need help or any sort of assistance, you can reach out at Moaz@OdooDashboards.com or Harun@OdooDashboards.com. Thank you.